All right, let's get started. So if you're thinking about selling your house, or you just want to get it cleaned up, or you had sheetrock work done, any of those number of things, you may have wood trim that needs to be cleaned up. There's a way you can do it. You can save a little money, do it yourself, and it'll make it look so much better. So I'm going to take a few minutes to show you how to do this, and then you can try it at your house. So let's go ahead and get started. And just so you know, the product is called, what I'm trying is called Restore a Finish. And I've got the cherry color that matches closest to our trim. So we're going to do some before and after pictures, and I'm going to go ahead and show you what to do. First thing I recommend is get an old t-shirt, a couple of them, and get them wet. So what we're going to do is wipe everything down. Also may want a little brush just so you can kind of get it cleaned up. So here we go, let's get started. Look at the difference it's making just doing that. Look at the difference. I mean, all right, so my rag's a little dry. I'm gonna get a little more water. So you can see what I'm doing here. I'm taking 5-in-1 tool. It's got all the edges to it, so see right there. You can take this cloth, put it over the top, and scrape all this paint. And what I'm going to do is come back in at some point and caulk this. Okay, now you see it's all clean. Now we're going to try the white. See this white spot right here? The idea is to get that to go away. So we're going to try this. Stuff's working magic, isn't it? But this is the way to go if you want to, on a budget, try to get your house cleaned up and ready to possibly sell it. I'm going to show you a little bit up the door. See this spot right here? So there you go. The after. I'll send a picture in a moment, the before. So there you go. That's what it looks like. Look at that after. It's amazing. Made a big difference, and you can do it yourself. Doesn't cost a lot of money. Maybe $15 in materials, not even. So I'm going to go around the rest of the house and do some other spots. And just thought I'd give you a quick tip from the Singing Realtor on how you can make your house look better. Okay, so now that we did the floor, this product also works on cabinets. So we're just gonna touch this up, getting ready for a party. The owners need to get the house kind of spruced up, but not completely restained. So this is a good temporary fix. So take a look and watch how well it does. You see the before, look at that. doesn't make it perfect, but it definitely makes it better. If you want to, you could, like I said, it's not gonna get it as dark as it was originally. Not perfect, but definitely better than it was. And I'm just gonna kinda, I may come back and do a second coat, let that coat dry, so it's not so shiny, and we'll see what happens. What do you think? Looks better than before. Not perfect, but definitely better.